Hi, I'm Rob Peacham from LINX. I'm the laser product specialist here, and today we're at PAC Expo in Las Vegas, and I'd like to show you around our new LINX SL302 32-watt laser coder. Okay, now first thing to notice, we have our new user interface, which we call LINX Vision, which makes the laser really intuitive to use and to set up, saving operators time and you guys money in the long run. Okay, so the laser itself, we're going to code onto a glass bottle, and the laser will etch into the surface of the bottle, creating the code. Okay, so there we see that the LINX laser has coded 3 lines of text etched into the surface of the glass bottle, and this is now part of the product and is not able to be removed and is permanent coding.